Hello there, and welcome to today's Five with Fitz. I'm Keith Fitz-Gerald. Thanks, as always, for joining me. You know, today we're going to get real. Many people think that they're investors until a day like yesterday exposes the truth. That's when they find out the hard way that they're really speculators, especially when it comes to high-flying stocks like Palantir. Now, it doesn't have to be that way. Not in life, and sure as heck not in the markets. The other thing about days like yesterday, and even again today, is that they make it abundantly clear that too many people are doing really stupid stuff with their money. And look, let's be real. We've all been there from time to time, or we will be, including me. So it's important you get a handle on this. It's not good for you, and it's sure as heck not the way to build real sustainable wealth. What is? Funny you should ask. One of the most valuable lessons I learned early on in my career is that the best advice and the most profitable insight tends to arrive in little nuggets that A, you really don't want to hear, or B, you think you already have under control, but probably don't, or we wouldn't be having this conversation in the first place. First, Palantir has returned more than 2,300% off single-digit lows set in December 2022 and 345 some odd percent over the past 12 months, even after the sell-off, or as the sell-off continues while I record this. The S&P 500, by comparison, has turned in 66.12% and 13.38% respectively, again, by comparison as I record this. My point is, you've had ample opportunity to get on board and capture profits along the way, and there is still plenty of upside. If a single 9% drop, single day 9% drop, and more selling this morning bothers you, here's some tough love. You are not an investor, you're a speculator. What's more, you are probably way over your skis, meaning you have too much risk on the table in a single position. Second, if you're one of those folks that I've heard about who sold other rock solid stocks, including many dividend players with long storied histories, to buy more Palantir because it's taken off like a rocket, you're gambling, not investing. Now, Las Vegas could use the business, but your portfolio doesn't need to play table games and shouldn't. Third, fear and greed are wealth killers. The sooner you strip them from your decisions and begin using tactics like those I talk about frequently with the one bar head family to help control risk that is inevitably part of investing, the sooner your portfolio can breathe. So, my point being, keep your dang emotions out of the equation. Period. Number fourth, missing opportunity is always more expensive than trying to avoid risks you can't control, like, I don't know, a controversial short seller with a history of fomenting panic and a general market sell-off. Remember, real results in real numbers triumph over time. So focus on investing in companies with both of those things and leave the bull boop to everybody else. Fifth, great companies weather storms all the time, and they also weather stupid decisions by individual investors who doom themselves to failure by making them. So, my point being, stop making the latter and learn to embrace the former, a process I call buy the best, avoid the rest. At the end of the day, this isn't rocket science, despite the fact that many people want to make it that way. How you play the game matters a lot more than you think. So dang it, start thinking and protect yourself from making major investing mistakes that'll hold you back rather than building the wealth you deserve. I'll be with you every step of the way. And by the way, if you are an OBAer, please be sure to check your email. I sent out a special update on Palantir last night. What's really happening, why, what to do next, and more, including instructions that I hope you are putting to good use today. Today's bottom line, investing in optimism beats cowering in pessimism, especially at moments like the present. And it beats it not part-time, not some of the time, every time over time. So, point being, when in doubt, zoom out. And I want you to take a good, hard look at the chart in the written version of today's Five with Fitz. It's familiar, and it should be taped to your forehead, your refrigerator, your bathroom mirror. I don't care what it is. Tape it somewhere where you can see it. And if days like today get you riled up, then look at it. You've got this, especially if you stop doing stupid stuff with your money. And, by the way, again, selfless sales plug here, but if you want some help getting a handle on what's happening, you might really enjoy one bar ahead. Investors around the world tell me that it's given them hope, confidence in any market conditions, and yes, even helped them stop doing stupid stuff with their money. Thank you very much for joining me. I will see you again tomorrow. Let's make it a great day because volatility is an opportunity. Talk to you tomorrow.